This is the new fully electric BMW iX3, available in Malaysia in 2 variants, and here are the 5 things you need to know. The fully imported iX3 arrives in Malaysia straight away as the facelift model, and what you get are slimmer headlamps, larger kidney grills which are now conjoined, and more dramatically redesigned tail lamps at the back with a 3D look. Both variants of the iX3, the inspiring and this one here, the top-end impressive variant, comes with the M Sport body kit, which includes sportier front and rear bumpers along with the shadow line package for a chrome delete for the window surrounds. The only way to differentiate the 2 variants are on the wheels and the headlamps. The impressive variant like this one comes with the 20-inch M aerodynamic wheels, while the inspiring variant comes with smaller 19-inch wheels. The impressive variant also comes with BMW's laser-like technology for the headlamps, while the standard inspiring variant comes with the standard headlamps. Underneath the hood, what you get is a plastic panel that says BMW i, replacing where the internal combustion engine used to be, well, because this is fully electric. What you get instead is an electric motor mounted at the rear, effectively making the iX3 rear-wheel drive. And that electric motor is powered by a 73 kWh lithium-ion battery to offer up to 461 kilometers of electric driving range. As a result, the iX3 produces 286 horsepower and 400 Newton meters for a 0 to 100 time of 6.8 seconds and a top speed of 180 kilometers an hour. With the 11 kilowatt AC wall box charger, it takes about 7.5 hours to fully charge the iX3. But if you use the 150 kilowatt DC charger, it takes just half an hour. The first thing you'll notice climbing on board is that the dashboard design has been heavily revised, with inspiration taken from the G20 3 Series, but otherwise it looks very much like the BMW X3. Being the M Sport variant, you get an M Sport steering wheel, M Sport seats, while standard features include a panoramic sunroof, 3-zone air conditioning and wireless charging. Because this is the impressive variant, you get additional goodies like the head-up display, the Harman Kardon sound system, a 360-degree surround view camera, and driving sounds made in collaboration with Hans Zimmer. Both the inspiring and impressive variants come with the Driving Assistant Professional package, and that includes autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop-go function, evasion assistant, lane and steering assistant, and acoustic protection for pedestrians. Prices start from 298,000 for the inspiring variant and 318,000 for this top-end impressive variant. For more information on the new fully electric BMW iX3 in Malaysia, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.